What's up, guys? Just a quick little install video. I just got some LED lights for the car, the high beams, which are also the DRLs, the daytime running lights, and then the low beams. So I just got them on Amazon. H15s are for the DRLs and the high beams. These are H7s. High beams first because they're easier to access. It's this little plastic, and then this one's kind of tucked back here, but the low beams might be a little bit harder. So let's open this up. All right, so these are the high beams and the DRLs. I'm hoping that they're gonna fit because H15s, which are here, they have this. So I'm hoping that I can just slide these in like this. They're supposed to clip in because these connectors, it's easier with this because it has this handle, so you have leverage. But this obviously has no handle, so there's no leverage to think that's in. And yeah, so it spins counterclockwise to get out and then clockwise to get back in. But let me get a flashlight and see. It should be on there correctly. All right, let's see if we can peep in here and see if it is connected. And you can see right on top here, there's those channels that it goes into, and it looks like it's all the way in. I was able to do it without taking anything apart. I thought that this side wasn't able to, but I forgot. So I disconnected this, and I disconnected this as well. But realistically, you don't have to disconnect the washer reservoir. I just moved it out of the way a little bit. But you see, these are the caps. Just throw your caps back on. Just saves it from dirt, water, all that stuff that goes inside there. So the passenger side was a cake. That went in super easy. The driver's side wasn't as easy, but see, some high beams. And if I turn on my daytime running lights, LED daytime running lights as well. Sweet. So now let's get to the low beams. This should be fun. All right, guys, so check it out. So the LED H7s you need to get are these plug-in ones, because this housing here needs to, you can't put like one with like a ballast or whatever, because it won't work. But if you have a clip-on one, but line it up here, and those just clip on like that. And they actually weren't too bad, at least the passenger side again, because it has this. So able to get your fingers in there, you'll feel it, there you go, get into place, and then it clips right in. So now let's turn on. I don't think the low beams will turn on because the car's not on. There we go, perfect. So as you can see, now we got the LED daytime running lights and the low beams. On camera it's flickering, but in person it's not. So let's get to this side. This side's a little bit tighter because this fuse panel's in the way, so I'm gonna have to do this off camera. All right, guys, so here we go. The low beams, high beams, and the daytime running lights. Sweet. I'll have to follow up video on the quality of these because I've never installed these before, these brands. I mean, they look good, so I'm gonna take it for a quick test drive and see how they look. But they look great. They look nice and bright, which is great. So yeah, hopefully if you guys do this, helped you by any means. I was gonna take off the whole headlight, bumper, everything to pull the headlights out to make sure that I installed them all the way, but I'm pretty positive because if you look, the orientation of the light is up and down. This is a little bit crooked or sideways, but that's just how they are. It's on both of them. Those actually go in the housings and those clip in, so I know that those are on proper. But the high beams, I'm pretty sure the orientation is up and down, and when I turn them on, they look correct. So I'm pretty sure that those are installed, or they're seated all the way into the socket. I wanted to throw a quick clip of them on, and man, it is a night and day difference for the low beams. My neighborhood's pretty dark. Those are the daytime running lights. They actually look brighter on camera, but those are the high beams, low beams with the daytime running lights on, and the low beams with the high beams. So overall, I'm pretty stoked. They seem to be pretty good quality, pretty bright. Like I said, camera definitely makes it look brighter, but they definitely are a lot brighter than the stock halogen bulbs, even with the high beams. So I'll leave the description or the link to the lights down below if you guys are interested in getting them. But yeah, look pretty good, pretty good. Leave a like, comment if you have any questions, and subscribe. Later.